Good morning! A day in my life! Let's go. Let's wait for a tricycle. Asa lang siya pa? Thank you, kuya. Morning, ate. Thank you. Every Friday, I'm solo duty dito sa clinic kasi meron tayong mga students from Labhay. Meron tayo ng mga... Ngayon, magpre-prepare tayo for our day. Let's go! So, this is our university phone, university clinic phone. Pwede kasing mag-online consultation ang mga employees, students ng SLSU. It's only 5%, so we have to charge it. Let's eat! So, I have here tortang giniling, hotdog, eggs. Again. I'm done with my duty and now mag-out na tayo because it's 5 o'clock. Let's go. Out. Thank you. Maybe it's the loving in your eyes. So here's my sundo. Hello. We're going to Craig's Taekwondo. Say hi. So, schedule ni Craig ay 5 o'clock. Dito kayo water ni Tats. Gaganda naman ang mga kaibigan ko. Hi. And we're back. Hi, vlogger. Monica and friends. We're going to Aramin.